Okay, so when you get a Kit Kat bar, it comes already divided into fourths. That means the whole bar, one bar, is divided into 4 equal pieces. So one piece would be a fourth. So if you gave your sister half of your fourth, we're going to take and draw a line. All right, so we're going to cut this in half because we're going to give her half. And then if we gave her a half of a fourth, this is how much we would be giving her. This part. Okay, so when we cut it in half, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. And we're going to give her this one piece that we shaded yellow. So how much would that be? That would be 1/8. So if you gave your sister half of a fourth, that would equal 1/8.